smartlocal.com
先定哦，你炒介嫩，慢慢炒，再炒来炒去。
定位是嫩。Hi, my name is Elaine. I am 30 this year, and this is my dad, and he's 61 this year.
How many languages can you speak?
Me, English, Mandarin, Thai, Hokkien. 4 languages.
华语啦、福建啦、马来话一点啦、泰国话，英文也是一点啦，不是说很好了。
On a scale of 1 to 10, like how good is your Hokkien?
I think 2. I think I understand sometimes, but I understand it wrong. Then he will have to explain to me. In my mind, when it translates, then I try to speak, the words cannot come out. How do you rate your Hokkien?
My Hokkien, I think it's nice.
Oh, so humble. He say 9. I think 10.
What are some Hokkien words you already know?
Pa to yao is hungry. Jia, kia. Let's go. So if today, right, we have 1 hour for you to teach me Hokkien. Now my Hokkien you say 3 out of 10, right? After that 1 hour, you think my Hokkien will go up? No? 9 out of 10 like you like that.
I think go up 4 to 5 lah.
Okay
Now
lah,
it's
got
3.
improvement can lah, can. Lesson number 1. How do I introduce myself to people in Hokkien?
手举个咯。Hello， 大家好，我的名叫 Elaine。Hello， 大家好。
大家好。我的名
叫 Elaine。
叫 Elaine。
我今年31歲。
Wait, slow down. 我的工作是
做廣告的。
做廣告。
廣告。
I forget already. Okay, I tried. Hello， 大家好，我的名叫 Elaine， 我今年30歲，我的工作是做廣告。Correct
这跳 pass 吗？
可以了，听得懂了，好像泰国人在讲福建话。After 1 hour， 我再叫他讲，看他会不会咯。
Cook the rice.
紫蝦、
Chop the chives.
椒、
水菇
最菇菜、
Add in the noodle.
放米都不是。
放米落去煮。OK。
So all together.
茶隆重茶。放瓜胶帶客人。not bad.
So the final challenge is for you and your dad to cook Hokkien Mee, but he only can give you instructions in Hokkien.
Okay 啦 confident 啦
OK 啦，
有信心啊
A 啦
You think we can do this?
A 啦，那不要讲。
Okay 啦
OK
水啦。
准备好了吗？
準備好了。
3, 2, 1,
OK， 愛炒一盤福建麵哈，你就愛做韭菜。
這個菜 chives 嚟啦。How much to use?
放一半就會使了一
一半
半。
is half guys. So how long?
差不多1寸啊，你看，
得啦。
會使啦。
Okay.
做好了，
Okay.
準備2粒雞卵拍散散
龜卵 is a egg.
，2粒啊。
Assume beat the egg 啦。兩 is 2啊。I guess 啦哈。
這是1粒，搁1粒，2粒。
Okay.
你就備4隻蝦，備殼啊。
Bake cup is the shell the prawn.
OK，這好了，也頂做一燒，放油，壓甲莫較濟。
How I know? Maybe my cut is
差不多炒一盤2湯1湯匙夠了，加淡薄好了會使。燒了放蒜頭落去炒。
garlic 哈。Oh my god! I think too hot 咧。
袂啦，
Okay.
啱好啦，袂啦吼，伊個雞卵個倒落，雞卵倒落炒。
Okay. Put the egg down and fry.
哦，個拍散，莫黏。 擦一算算，慢慢
Okay.
擦。有皮就香无？
Yeah, this I
哦
know.，
你有皮就香了哈，你就会使放面落去了，
Okay, okay. He said like if you can smell, then you can put the noodle in.
放一半一半，
Half half 啊
一半一半会使了，唔免咁多。
half.
你嘅炒慢慢炒，炒1分鐘。
1分鐘 1 minute.
Ah.
I think can. I think I understand like not bad.
你看下炒解面嫩
嫩嘅
嫩，
嫩嘅出嚟。
無你做面看下定定哦，真定哦。你炒解嫩，慢慢炒，再炒來炒
What
去
is。thing? What is 嫩
I think can. I think I understand like not bad.
伊個蝦夾放落蝦夾魚果，
？Hooker 啊，fish cake.
魚果不要緊嚇。OK，第一放淡薄水落去，
Oh, I know 3 is water, but how much? Wait
個加淡薄咯，無夠
Sure.。
你個炒，等你愛滾啫，才好食。
Slowly 啦，I don't understand now. But now
OK，
it's water.
放伊個下邊嘅醬落去，
What?
下邊嘅醬
酒啊。
醬啊，伊個醬。
This one lah, huh? I think. Okay, don't waste. I will drop.
OK，嘅辣好勢嘅冚啊。
Lala is what?
嘅辣了嘅冚啊，嘅喺外國嘅冚啊。
I totally don't
You
understand.
must assume and do it.
Lala? 什麼是 Lala?
好了啦，會使了嘅冚啦，差唔多2分鐘啦。
2分鐘 2 minutes.
辣了韭菜放落，
什麼？You keep saying Lala 是什麼？
炒去走走，
早早？又來早早啊的。What is 早早？
黏黏就會使了，黏黏就會使煎好了。好了好了耶。
What?
嘅最能入生柑放邊頭，咱夾伊嘅香蕉醬，較濟把佢放邊時。
I guess like put beside the. You man, I cannot like that one. Wow.
哦，好辦法。真香啦，唔知好食啊無？試看賣。
Hot, you know, bro.
I
think his face is like.
袂歹咧，我啫。
But I want to give the daughter some face. Wow, second mouth, I think okay lah.
好食。你頭一擺炒，切分啦，切分。
That's not bad.
OK，好食。試看賣。
Good job.
好。
Okay, so how was the challenge?
Not bad. Like I could pick up some of the keywords that he said, but like when he speak in a sentence and he speaks super fast, right? I cannot. I can only catch the first part. Then I don't know what he wants me to do next.
进步我看是没有这样快吧，不过他平时已经在家里有听过，只是他没有注意到这句话的意思，他大概他还是懂。
Yes, I learned how to introduce myself in Hokkien. I never knew.
Remember what he said?
Hello, 大家好，我的名叫 Elaine，我30歲，我做工做廣播 Korean。
好了，一路来，我觉得我要让我的孩子最少他会听得懂，会讲一点点，因为这是福建人的根，所以我2个孩子我都有叫他们讲福建话，偶尔我会跟他们讲。我也希望他们以后有孩子了，还是会一样跟我这样接下去的。不要说以后人家问你是什么人，你讲福建人，外国的福建人跟你讲福建话，你不会讲，他可能会笑你。保留一点根啊，不用说100%啊，你可以明白50讲50，听得懂就可以了。我相信会慢慢的没有了。现在新加坡的小孩子对自己的母语10个里面有8个不懂，就是说做父母亲的本分，就是留一点根，尽量叫他们留下来。现在的年轻人多学一点自己的母语是好了。 就这样了。
Thank you for watching this episode of Generation Gift. If you like our video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, ring the notification bell and watch our other videos over there. Bye!
Bye.